let's underline $5 fixed shipping charge. We know that it's, and $10 for each beach towel, and so it's $5 plus how many big beach towels you have, and is typically plus in a word problem for each beach towel. So I'm going to multiply how many beach towels there are. So each typically means multiply the number of beach towels. If Leah has $55 to spend on her beach towel order, how many beach towels can she buy? Okay, so she has $55 total. So there's a $5 shipping fee. So that's why it's 55 minus $5 automatically for the shipping. That leaves you really only $50 left to order the towels. And with $50 at $10 each, let's divide it by 10 because they're $10 each. $50. So notice it's dollar with dollar. That gives you basically 5 towels. With this, so you need to write it in a complete sentence, like it says here. With $55, Leo can order 5 new beach towels. Or something similar to that. Let's do number 2. 12 people have a cold. Each day 8 more people get sick. So we need that 12 people is important, have a cold, because it's right then and there. Each day 8 more get sick. So each day I'm going to add 8. After how many days will 101 total people get sick? So we minus 101, we automatically subtract that by the 12 people that's already sick. That gives you 89. Double check, add it back. That makes 101. Okay, so you got 89 people. Let's see how many days though it takes for, well, each day 8 people get sick, so divide it by 8 to find the number of days. And that gives you, let's see, 89 divided by 8, 1, 8, subtract 0, 9, it's 1, 8. Remainder of 1. Okay. We can put 1 here, put a dot dot 0. I can stop here now because about how many days will a total 101 people get sick? 11.1 days. So for days, I can leave it as a decimal because we can go to hours. So we can just leave for days because we can make this into hours. So you can say how many days there will be or actually it will take 11.1 days to get 101 people sick. Make sure your answer is in a complete sentence. Okay. Jack is ordering pizza for a party. He wants to order 4 pieces for himself, and 3 pieces for every person attending the party. So 4 pieces for himself, and 3 for every person attending the party. If he orders a total of 34 slices of pizza, how many people are attending? Okay, here's the question. How many people are attending? Shame on me, I forgot to. How many people are attending? So 34 slices, he has to subtract the 4 slices to find out for himself. So he has to take out the 4 slices, so 34 minus the 4 slices is 30, divided by 3 slices that he wants for each person. So he is going to invite 10 people. Who? Jackson. Jackson how many people are attending? Jackson will have 10 people attending the party. Okay. Now, if you need more, do 16. It's very similar to that. Skip 7, go to 17. We did 17 together. Devin earned $500 each week, plus $15 for each hour of overtime. So each week, $500 plus $15 for each hour of overtime. Write an equation to represent Devin's totally weekly salary. So this is week. We want total weekly salary. So each week, if he works, S for salary. If he works, T for time, hours of overtime. Okay. So that tells me for each week he automatically gets $500. I'm going to plus it $15 for each hour of overtime because we don't know how much each means times. We don't know how much overtime he's going to do, so we times T for the hours of overtime. That has to equal to the total of salary, his salary for the week, which equals to S, equals to his salary. Okay, to 20. 19. A manager is hired at a starting salary of $60,000 per year. Okay, he starts at $60,000. Each year, her salary increased by $5,000. Increased by. Write an equation to represent her yearly salary, S. So yearly salary, each year she makes this amount, equals at any given time in years. So she makes $60,000 per year with an increase by $500. So 60,000 is her initial start. We need to have that. Plus 500 for every year. 500 times the number of years she works. So if she works 2 years, it'll increase of 10,000, so forth. So we don't need the parentheses for time, so we can write it as 5,000 T. Okay, a hairstylist earns $70 per day plus $20 for each haircut. So this person automatically earns $70 each day plus $20 for each haircut. Write an equation that relates his total daily income. So total daily income is what we want. And we use D. So D equals totally daily income equals what he automatically earned just showing up to work plus $20 for each haircut. We don't know how many haircut he has, so they say use H for haircut. H right there. And that's your work. If you're having trouble with that, try 21. These are great questions. Writing equations very important. Okay. A company charges $5 for each belt that it sells. It also charges a fixed delivery fee. Well, this is fixed. Delivery fee of $8 per order. Write an equation that relates. Uh-oh, what happened to my... Why did it turn off? Oh, there it is. That's weird. Write an equation that relates to the total charge. So C is the total charge, okay, in dollars for the number of, for an order of belts. Okay, total charge. There's a fixed fee of $8. You can't change that. Plus $5 for each belt. So 5 times whatever number of belts you buy. So 5 times, you can write 5B like that instead. Basically it. I'd like you all to try 22. A dry cleaner charged $2 to dry a shirt and $10 to dry a jacket. Write an equation that